Artificial intelligence has dominated headlines this week, with Microsoft and Google announcing they're using the technology to revamp their search engines. IBM, Meta, and BuzzFeed have also recently announced plans for AI. This technology has wide-ranging abilities, including speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. Humans essentially feed data to an algorithm, and AI processes, learns, and makes predictions from it. New York Times technology reporter Cade Metz joins us now. Cade, let's start with your thoughts on the Microsoft CEO's assessment this week that said this technology will reshape pretty much every software category that we know of.
It's absolutely true, and particularly at Microsoft. Plans are already underway there to roll this type of technology into practically every product they offer. As you pointed out, the ramifications here are myriad in that this technology can generate text, it can generate images, and that sort of thing can be rolled into a wide range of applications, whether it's a search engine where you're looking for information, or it's an email program where you need help composing an email, or if you're a student and you want to use a similar program to create a term paper or the like. The list goes on and on.
So let's take that a step further. Where are we going to see AI in our everyday lives?
Well, we're already starting to see it. A new chat bot, as it's called ChatGPT, was released at the end of November, and millions of people are already using this to do all the sorts of things that I talked about. It was a surprise that this was released, and it was a surprise that it captured the public's imagination the way it did. But it represents 10 years of research at companies like Microsoft and Google and the others you mentioned. And it's all coming to a head. People are using that chatbot to do all sorts of things, whether it's generate a term paper or write poetry, have it generate tweets for you and the like, in addition to asking questions of it and gathering information.
So if you're
so
using... Sorry, let me just ask you. I just want you've talked a couple of times about how AI might help you write a term paper or poetry or, a tweet. If it's doing so much of the heavy lifting for you, I mean, is there a risk that it kind of makes you dumber because you're not using your own mind as much?
It is a risk, and there's a debate over this within universities, in schools, about whether it should be banned or whether you should embrace it. There's a flip side, though. This is also something that traditionally has complemented human work and complemented human workers. The same technology can be used to generate computer code. And software engineers inside companies use this type of technology to generate code that they can then roll into their programs. It makes them more efficient. Generally speaking, this type of technology complements people rather than outright replaces them. It's a different question when you're talking about students, right, who are learning things. But there's an argument to be made that this can help you learn.
Well, there's so many applications we've seen already in the defense industry. AI is used widely when you're looking at, for example, drone targeting, right? You have like thousands of targets and the AI winnows it down to maybe 10, and then a human comes in and makes that final call. To you, is that kind of the best scenario? It gets rid of a lot of the grunt work, and then the human makes the big decision?
That's part of it, but with the example you give, there's a darker side to this. There are concerns over this, not just for military applications. People are concerned that we could go too far when it comes to giving the machine the power to make the decisions. But also in our daily lives, whether it's personal life or in business, there are big concerns here. These systems are not perfect. They generate disinformation. They can be biased against women and people of color. Miscreants can use them to spread their own disinformation in ways that are far more extreme than we've seen in the past. So there's a lot to be concerned about here as well.
Cade Metz, thank you for helping us understand this brave new world. I mean, I think that really fits. Thank you.
Absolutely.